Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So alhamdulillah, in the previous lessons, we covered the numbers 1, 2 in one set and 3 to 10 in another set. Now we're moving on to numbers 11 to 19. Okay, so these are the numbers 11 to 19. We have ahada ashara, ihda ashrata, and all the way from 11 all the way to 19. Now let's have a look at them. Let me just tell you what's going on here. If you look at the numbers, now we have here two sets of numbers, one before the dash, one after it. One form is the masculine, and one is the feminine. If you look at the numbers, let me put these in one color. Numbers 11 and the numbers 12. How do they read? Ahada ashara. What do they read? Ahada ashara. Meaning what? They are both what? In gender? Masculine. Ihda ashrata. They are both feminine. Correct? In 12, Ithna ashara, both masculine. Ithnata ashrata, they are both what? Feminine. Yes? So far, so good? Are you following me? Yes. Then when you look further, from 13 all the way to 19, what do we get? Thalatha, then we have ashrata. And for feminine, we have thalathata, feminine, with ashara, masculine. Arba'a ashrata is what? Masculine with a feminine word. So the teens, meaning the tens and units, two words. One for the tens, which is the ashara or ashrata, and one for the unit. What's the rule in all ones and twos? They have what? They match. Yes, they live in harmony. Yes? You got a small group of one or two people, not a problem. When you get a large group, then what happens? You disagree. Remember that code. Yes? So a small group, one or two people, what happens? You agree. When you get a large group from 3 to 9, so all the 3s and 9s, they have what? Chiastic concord. Correct? Understood? Yes? Any questions? Yes? Now look at this now. One example. Ra'a Yusufu ahada ashara kawkaba. So what's happening in here? Fa'il fa'il, and the number phrase becomes the maf'ul bihi. Yes? Now in here, the adad and the ma'dud. The number and the thing we are counting. Okay? Yes. And then in kawkaban, the ma'dud becomes tamyiz. So in numbers 1 and 2, the ma'dud was a nat. Numbers 3 to 10, the ma'dud was a mudaf ilay. And in here now, the ma'dud is what? Tamyiz. Yes. From 11 all the way to 99. It's a tamyiz. Okay, so the ma'dud becomes the tamyiz. So you have the same adad ma'dud structure, but the build-up is now what? The second word becomes the tamyiz. Does that make sense? Yes? Right. So it becomes the tamyiz. Yes, we call that, so the ma'dud is a tamyiz. Okay? Kawkaban, is it singular or plural? Singular. You see, kawkaban is singular. In 3 to 10, what happened? The thing you're counting is singular or plural? Plural. But from 11 all the way to 100 and even 1,000, the thing you're counting will be singular. Make sense? Okay. So, right. The first one we've done already. Muhammad, you want to give it a shot? Number 2. G. أطعمت is فعل. Good. الأم is فاعل. Are you on a laptop? Okay. الأم فاعل. is مفعول به. And how do you break this phrase up? Is the عدد. And بنتا is the معدود. And the معدود is what? مضاف إليه. تمييز. It's تمييز. Okay. Make sense? And translation will be the mother fed 11 girls. She called the police because she's not adhering to the social distancing laws. She got 11 people in the house feeding them. Too many. Yes? So she's the lady or the mother fed 11 girls. Correct? Understood? Yes? Next one. After Muhammad, you have Ahmad. Yeah, Ahmad, your turn. What's the mistake in here? I made a mistake. Who can see the mistake? That's another question. And that's wrong. It's supposed to be rajulan. Rajulan, not rijalan. So جاء 13 رجلا. So you know it's rajulan. Let's just say it. Not rijalan, but rajulan. Okay? G. Tarkib. جاء is fail. Okay, before we go on, what is it? ثلاثة. Well, what you're saying is supposed to be ثلاثة. Makes sense, but not quite. Well, your theory is right. The numbers 11, 11 to 19, except 12. The numbers 11 to 19, except 12 are mabni. What are they? They are mabni. They always have, both have fatha. Yes? So numbers 11 to 19, except 12 are mabni. And they always have fatha even though they are fa'il. Do you understand? Yes? So that's the reason we have ثلاثة. We have ثلاثة عشرة. So جاء is the فعل. Is the fa'il. And ثلاثة عشرة is what? عدد. And رجل is the معدود. And that becomes تمييز. Understand? Go ahead. G. I've got one here, but it's hard to see because of the screen setup. Let's move that to the top. Okay. Next one. Musab. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. عدد. عدد المعدود. And نساء is the تمييز. You got it? Understood? Yes? Okay. Right. 1 minute. Right. Right. After Musab, Hamad. إنما is حرف حصر. Have you got a laptop? Yeah. So do you know you have an option to say control annotate? You see the option? So go to annotate and go to draw and select the line, the straight line feature, and use blue ink, and you do the lines yourself. I'll do the text, you do the lines. And okay, مفعول به مفعول. الثمانية on its own. So extend that one. Okay. And إنما was what? حرف حصر. Yeah. So عدد and بابا is the معدود. And بابا is then becomes the تمييز. Translation. Click the text and write the translation somewhere. No, it's not mudaf mudaf ilayh. It's just two words that are joined together. In the teens, they're just two words that join together. You join them as one in tarkib. So even though they're two, you don't label them separately. Okay? Write the translation. Use a text feature. So what is it going to be? Straight as you go along, so everybody can hear you what you're writing. Yeah. And now because we have alif lam on both parts, when you make a ma'rifah, you put alif lam on both parts. So we say the 18 people. Who's the The people open the 18 doors. The people open the 18 doors. Pardon me? Oh yeah, or innama. You know, translated innama. So the people only open the 18 doors. The people only. Go ahead. So translate it. What are you saying? Open the 18 doors only? Yeah, okay. You can put it here. The people open only the 18 doors. Yes. As long as you don't have it here, only the people, then it's fine. If you have it here, that's wrong. If you put it here, or even here, that's fine. Don't put it here at the beginning. That would put emphasis on the fa'il. Okay? Good. Erase all your drawings. Right, who's next? Ibrahim. You doing on a PC? Yeah. So annotate it, I'll write it. G. I'll write the file. It'll take too long for you to write it. You just draw the lines. Use a straight line tool. It's easy to draw. There's a straight line tool there. And use the blue because it's the top part. Harafu nafyin. Good. When you go to text, the second column is a straight line. And it goes to draw. You see? Huh? Go ahead. Yeah, so tala becomes what? Is fail. Correct. Tala is the fail. Draw a line on it. Then after that, good. Is the fa'il. Good, sorry. Yeah, that's your line. You draw the line. Then why is it harfu hasrin? Why is it not harfu istisna'in? Not not the only reason. What's the other reason? Is it harfu nafyin? When you have harfu nafyin and illa, it becomes what? Harfu hasrin. Yes? And then sab'a asharata ayatan. That's maf'ul bihi. Maf'ulun bihi. And break up this structure here. Al-imamu zaidun. What is it going to be? Good. Mubdalun minhu and badal. Then I should go in green because it's a thing. Doesn't matter. Next one. Sab'a asharata ayatan. Adad. Draw the line. Adad. Ayatan becomes ma'dud. You should bring that line a bit lower. So now you have space for tamyiz. That's what does ayah become? Yeah, so you put another line here higher. So you should have brought these down. You can keep. So it's easy to label it. You have space to write. Tamyiz. Understood? Okay. So we summarize here. We have, if you look at it here, can you clear all your drawings, please, Ibrahim? So what's the summary? Numbers 1 to 2 are man'ut not. So what happens? They agree, the number of the ma'dud agree, and the gender agree. Yes? Okay? They agree. So, walad matches with wahid. Male, male. Bintun wahida. Yes? Then, numbers 3 to 10, what's the structure going to be? Mudafun, mudafun ilay. What is it? Mudafun, mudafun ilay. And the number, the thing you're counting, sorry, the ma'dud, what will it be? Plural. So look, awlad, plural. Banat, plural. What about the gender? Chiastic concord. Because all 3 to 10 or 3 to 9s have what? Chiastic concord. Large crowd cause a problem. Too many cooks spawn the broth. So we have too many cooks and the gender gets mixed up. So thalathatu awladin is what? Female, male. Male, female. Yes? 11 to 12 and 13 to 19. What's the structure? Tamyiz. And the number of the ma'dud is singular. The number of the ma'dud is what? Singular. So, waladan, bintan. Not plural. It's singular. 11 and 12, the gender, agree. Now what will happen here? Ahada, ashara, waladan. All mudhakkar. Ihda, it's a mistake here. Ihda, asharata. It must be ihda, asharata. Ihda, ashrata. It's a mistake there. So ihda, ashrata bintan. They're all feminine. Yes? And then here, from 13 to 19, this is a bit strange. The thalathata disagrees with ashara and waladan. And the thalatha disagrees with the asharata and the bintan. So this, the first, this will agree, disagree with this. And the 3 will also disagree with the 10. You get it? So there's 3 words. So these 2 will have the same gender, and this will have the chiastic concord to those 2. Do you understand? You got it? Okay. Subhanallah bihamdi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa